The number one challenge we have today in the automation industry is the lack of a standard way for technology to communicate with each other. When I say technology, I am referring to either software, like a WMS, or physical hardware, like a robotic system. APIs were designed to solve this communication problem. An API is essentially a language for technology to communicate, but by default, no two APIs in the world are exactly alike. Think of each technology's API like its own dialect of the language. So if I want to integrate two pieces of automation, they must speak the same language and the same dialect. Even worse, the API documentation, which is basically a decoder for understanding their dialect, usually contains hundreds of pages. The result of connecting two APIs always requires some custom code in between the two. Well, now you don't have to decipher these APIs because here at SVT Robotics, we've taken these complex documents and translated them through the Softbot platform. Our goal at SVT Robotics is to finally provide this industry with a truly tech-agnostic, low-code way to deploy automation quickly, de-risking the automation you choose. Let's get to the part you guys have all been waiting for, a live drag-and-drop integration of the Tecsys Elite's WMS, 6 river systems, and Shopify, all using the Softbot platform. This is the Softbot platform. The current screen is what we call App Lab. Each of these cards are called Softbots. So to deploy to your warehouse, we would simply install the Softbot platform, add the specific pre-built softbots for the technology you are deploying, and work with your IT group to configure site-specific information, like IP addresses and authentication tokens. Since everything is configured, it's really as simple as drag, drop, and deploy. So with the press of a button, we are deployed. That's it. We have now integrated these technologies, and they can communicate with each other. Let's place an order through Shopify. Now let's head over to the 6 River Chuck bot. Scan it, and it looks like our order is ready to be picked. It is that simple with the power of the Softbot platform.